Hello dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family. Today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is altruism. Altruism. Altruism means unselfish devotion. Synonyms of altruism are kindness, decency. Example: animals can have more altruistic behavior than humans. Animals can have a more altruistic behavior than humans. Here altruism is a noun. A noun is one of the 8 parts of speech. A noun is a word that represents a person, thing, concept, or place. Example: the book is on the table. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye!